Most of the students starts class 10 by making two massive mistakes that practically guarantee they won't cross 90% marks. They spend thousands on coaching they don't need and buy an army of heavy reference books that will just sit on the shelves collecting dust. I did not step foot inside any coaching class. I threw away my all reference book and I still scored a 97.6% in my class 10 boards. And in this video, I will give you ultimate step-by-step roadmap to dominate class 10 from the day 1. I'm going to share the exact digital hacks, the timing tricks, and the exam secrets that nobody tells you. If you want to finish this year as a topper without losing your social life, copy this roadmap.
Phase 1, the Zero Load Foundation.
Phase 1 of the roadmap is all about building a foundation. Right now, your school is going to move slowly. Do not try to finish the whole syllabus in 2 months. That is a trap. Instead, master single source focus. Your textbook is your holy grail. When a chapter is covered in a class, do not go home and read a guide. Go home, open a textbook, and read it line by line. Highlight only the operational terms, definition, and core concepts. If you understand the text completely in these 3 months, you're already ahead of 80% of your batch.
Phase 2, the Digital Clone Strategy.
Phase 2 is where we introduce the secret weapon which replaced coaching for me. If you cover the topics that are tough like trigonometry or carbon and compounds, do not panic if your teacher explains it poorly. You have the entire internet for free. Go for YouTube and watch a highly rated 20 minutes animation or concept video. But here is the trick. Right after the video ends, close your laptop or phone, take a rough paper and try to teach that exact topic to an imaginary student next to you. If you can explain it, then the concept is logged into your permanent memory. You just cloned a high end coaching experience for 0 rupees.
Phase 3, the Presentation Blueprint.
By the phase 3, everyone will be panicking and buying sample papers. But you won't because you will be focusing on presentation blueprint. The board exams are completely subjective. The examiners does not know how smart you are. They know what your papers look like. So start practicing how to write answers in clean bullet point and to underline the core keyword and leave 2 lines between every single answer. Learn to write clean early, and the examiners will literally hand you marks.
Phase 4, the 5-year lockdown.
The final phase of the roadmap is the 5-year lockdown. Forget buying 10 different sample paper booklets. Go online and download the official past 5 years board exam question papers for free. Treat these as your actual exams. Once a week, sit in a quiet room, set a timer for 3 hours, and solve the paper from start to finish without looking at your notes. This will train your brain to handle the exam room anxiety and teaches you time management. When you walk into the actual board exam room, it won't feel scary. It will feel like another practice session. Look, I am in 11th standard right now, and I was standing exactly where you are 1 year ago. I can feel the pressure, but the system is incredibly predictable if you follow this roadmap. You don't need expensive coaching or extra books to top. You just need smart strategy and consistency. If a regular student like me can score 97.6%, you can absolutely do it too. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know my daily routine roadmap, then comment down below. For now, bye bye.